Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has deleted a social media post announcing 100% reservation for Kannadigas in all Group C and Group D jobs in private companies in the state. Reservation of jobs in private firms will be capped at 70% for non-management roles and 50% for management-level employees, Labour Minister Santosh Late clarified simultaneously. Chief Minister explained that at management level, it has been decided to provide reservation to 50% of the people. At the non-management level, it has been decided to provide work to 70%. It also said that if companies were unable to hire suitable skilled candidates from these restricted pool, they could then look at hiring people from outside the state. However, he declared that there is no dearth of talent in the state, claiming that Karnataka has enough skilled workforce. He also said that if enough talent is not available, they can bring from outside. Notably, Siddaramaiah had posted the 100% reservation news on X earlier Twitter yesterday. It is said that the cabinet meeting held on Monday approved a bill to make recruitment of 100% Kannadigas mandatory for C and D grade posts in all private industries in the state. However, the decision was not well received by business leaders, many of whom said the IT industry on which Bengaluru has made much of its fortune will suffer setback.